There it is, 2024 BMW S1000RR. I've wanted to try one of these bikes. I've never ridden any of the S1000 series. If you're looking for a video watching some guy thrash the shit out of a S1000, this is not going to be the video for you. My idea behind getting a bike like this, I haven't bought this one yet, by the way, and if I did, I'd be looking at the M-Spec one because I like the white and the carbon wheels. My idea behind this bike and trying this one out, because you guys know I have my Harley and I sold my Aprilia. I don't have any sports bikes anymore. I already know this bike is going to be a weapon on the track. It's one of the best super bikes you can buy, but from all the reports I've seen online, all the reviewers and things, this seems to be the most comfortable and everyday friendly super bike. I don't know if that statement even makes sense, but as far as super bikes go, apparently this one is the one that you're going to buy if you want an all-rounder. So it's going to be comfortable enough to ride on the road and city environments like this, which we're going to try out, and great on the track. Yeah, this is what this one's going to be about. Looks so aggressive. Just from riding it so far to get to this car park, it does seem pretty comfortable. Give it a start. Love the pops and crackles. I'm going to jump on it and let's just go for a spin. It's in race mode at the moment. Let's go dynamic. I get a lot of comments on my color grading and how my videos look. I'm going to do a setup video with this DJI Osmo Action 4 really soon. I've done one on the GoPro, but everything's a little bit different, so I'll make that soon. If you want to make your videos color look like this, there's a link in the description to my LUT. It's just one LUT, it's the only one I use, and there's no need to have a bunch of them. It just works really well. I'm a photographer, videographer full-time, so it's my job to color videos. Yeah, I made one around that. So if you want to check it out, go have a look in the description. It works for GoPro with flat color and the Osmo Action cameras with D-Log. Thanks for listening to that little spiel, because I don't actually have sponsors, it's just me. Anyway, let's get back into the video. My very first impression, just riding into this car park, was it's very, very smooth. Suspension's very firm, but now that was in race mode, so maybe now it's in dynamic, it might be a bit softer. I thought about just kind of getting a, keeping the Harley as my only main bike, and then buying like a track bike, like a deregistered track bike, GSXR750 or something like that I could just race, not have to worry about like crashing it or whatever. I would love a motorcycle that I can do both on, and the only other one on my radar that I really love is the either the RSV4, but probably because I had the TUONO and you guys know I love that bike. I wish I hadn't sold it some days. And the Panigale V4S, but I will ride that one again before making any kind of decision. And I would like to ride an RSV4, but here in New Zealand there's no demos or anything. The upside of that is that because I've had the TUONO, I can kind of know what to expect from the motor more or less, even though it's not as powerful. Because this one's brand new, it is limited on the revs, so unfortunately I'm not even going to be able to feel the power of it properly. Let's jump on the motorway and see what it's like. It feels very stable. I mean, no surprises there really. Torquey as well, torqueyer than I expected. I don't actually know if you guys are going to be able to hear me much, so I'll get off the motorway on this next exit and then we'll ride down to the beach or something. But on the motorway, very smooth, no vibration or anything. Maybe a tiny bit of like high pitch vibration in the foot pegs. We've got cruise control. How do you sit there? There we go, cruise control, heated grips. This bike does really have everything you need. I do feel like I'm quite leaned over, but the quick shift is really smooth. No hands. Way smoother than the 1250 GS quick shifter, but it's definitely living up to its comfortable superbike rating at the moment, so I'm definitely already liking this more than I thought I would. Okay, I'm going to get back to the twisty road and I'll check back in with you guys real soon. Everybody's running red lights today. Great. The brakes are so good. Like one finger, you don't need more than one finger. And the back brakes are actually really responsive as well. Is that MT-09? Yeah. One of my favorites. MT-09 SP, a beautiful bike. The quick shifter is really smooth, man, and this thing is just like so easy to chuck around. I love these sweeping corners. Oh, it feels so good. Wow, so easy to ride. I feel like anybody could get on this bike. Like anybody, if you're a new rider, but you had common sense, you'd be fine on this bike. Like if you got carried away, you'd definitely kill yourself. I guess that's the downside with bikes like this that are so easy. Like when I started riding out, I had a leader bike and it didn't even have ABS brakes, let alone like traction control and lean sensitive traction control and all that kind of stuff. You know, the danger with a bike like this is that it just is so easy to ride that you don't really learn the skills you need in order to control a situation that might get out of hand. You know, maybe you have a bit of slip on a bit of gravel on the road or something like that. This bike takes the need out of it, you know, out of having to learn that kind of stuff. Yeah, I guess it's just one of those things that bikes are so good, that which is amazing, and they keep you much safer. But I believe that it is still really, really important to learn those core skills, which you kind of had to learn when you're riding a leader bike that didn't have traction control or ABS brakes or anything like that. No rider aids. This bike is not going to give you that. And I guess you could turn them all off or something, but that would just be silly. You know, you get like 200 horsepower, whatever these are. Oh, man, those brakes are so good. Literally one finger and I have so much power. Alright, now I'm still going to be taking it easy because it does have brand spanking new tires. Really don't want to ride off a new BMW. Very confidence inspiring though, even with these crappy roads. Like really, you can't even go fast enough to lean. I mean, without losing my license. Let's have a gentle cruise through these twisties. $80k an hour speed limit, so. Oh man, it's been so long since I've ridden a full, I think it was over a year ago last time I rode a full like superbike, like clip-on style motorcycle. And this just makes it so easy to pick straight back up where you left off. To sum up this bike, it's pretty much exactly what I expected. I haven't really been surprised in a big way. It's very, very smooth. The throttle is really nice. I like dynamic mode. It has all of the extra bits you want. It's definitely, the riding position is definitely more comfortable than any other full sports bike I've ridden, any 1000cc anyway. Stay tuned guys, and thanks for watching this video. Thanks for supporting the channel. Let's go drop this bad boy back off. Hello, copper. Nice. BMW. British Motorsport Wiener. What does the W actually stand for?